Hi friends, in this video we are going to unbox and review Asus VivoBook 15. This is Ryzen 5 variant with 4GB RAM and 256GB SSD. It is currently available for 33,690 rupees in Amazon as of 22nd June 2020. Let's start the unboxing. This is the laptop. It is very lightweight. This is transparent silver color. It is also available in slate grey. It is very reflective. You can see on the keyboard. Now we just keep it aside and check what are the things we get in the box. Instruction manuals, hard disk drive kit to install internal hard drive. Let's check what's inside it. Aluminum foil sticker, rubber casing for hard drive, and a SATA cable. Finally, the fast charger. This is very sleek and stylish looking laptop. On the top we have Asus logo. On the left we have charging port, Type-C 3.1, HDMI and USB 3.1 ports. And on the right side we have two USB 2.0 ports, 3.5mm audio jack, micro SD card reader and charging indicator LEDs. And on the bottom we have model number, serial number and Windows 10 stickers, vent for exhaust fan and two speakers. And on the front we have 1920x1080p Full HD display with anti-glare coating and 60Hz refresh rate. And it has very minimal bezels, so Asus calls it Nano Edge display. On top of display there is a terrible 0.3MP camera and on bottom we have Asus logo. This is the soft touch keyboard with no backlight, so you have to depend on screen brightness in the dark. Below the keyboard we have touchpad with fingerprint scanner. And on the left side of the touchpad we have Ryzen 5 sticker, and on the right side we have Sonic Master logo and Asus stickers. Even though it is made of plastic, it looks and feels premium. Now we'll look at the laptop configuration. CPU is AMD Ryzen 5 3500U and memory is 4GB DDR4 with 2400 MHz speed. While upgrading the RAM, use the same speed stick for best performance. On the disk we have 256GB NVMe SSD, which is best type of SSD available in the market. We have Wi-Fi card which supports dual band. On the GPU we have 2GB AMD Radeon Vega 8 graphics, which is integrated graphics, and there is no dedicated graphic card for this laptop. Now let's talk about the performance. Let's check the booting time in this laptop. It is 11 seconds. Fingerprint scanner is fast and responsive, and bonus feature for this laptop as we can't find in this price range. Now let's talk about the display. It is a full HD 1080p display with anti-glare coating, so you don't get to see any reflections. Colors are decent only when you look at it at a straight angle. So viewing angles are not good. Screen looks washed out from sides. Now let's check the sound quality.
You've been running around, throwing that dirt all on my name. 'Cause you knew that I'd call you up. You've been going around every party in LA. 'Cause you knew that I'd be at one. Oh, I know that dress is karma, perfume regret. You got me thinking about when you were mine. Oh, and now I'm all up on you, what you expect. But you're not coming home with me tonight. You just want attention, you don't want my heart. Baby, you just hate the thought of me with someone new.
And this is the speaker test. With this, you can't judge the sound of this laptop as you are hearing this from other audio devices. In my opinion, clarity is good, but volume is very low, and positioning of the speakers at the bottom is an added disadvantage. Camera in this laptop is 0.3 megapixels with 640x480 resolution, which can shoot 30 fps videos. Even for video chat, it is terrible. And this is a sample video recorded from that camera. Now let's check the gaming performance. Battery set to best performance mode. And let's play PUBG PC Lite with everything low as default. And these are the FPS details, which is average 50 FPS from minimum 40 to maximum 60. You can increase the performance by upgrading the RAM. It is definitely recommended not only for gaming but to boost the overall performance of the laptop. Now let's talk about the charging. This charger can fast charge this laptop from low battery to 60% in just 49 minutes. This is absolutely necessary for this laptop because its battery only lasts for 3.5 hours with moderate usage. Overall, this is a decent laptop for the price range. If your priority is thin, lightweight design, fast charging, performance, security features like fingerprint scanner, then you can definitely go with this laptop. If your priority is display viewing angles, sound output, and battery backup, this is not for you.